Welcome. I'm Kirk Kaplan with Kresge Legal and Accounting, and I want to give you today's probate report, what happened in court. The main case that I was watching today was there was a personal representative, also someone known as an executor, that was named in the will, or I should say nominated in the will, to run the probate property after a person died, the person who created the will. Well, what happened in this case was the person that was nominated as the executor did not tell the court about what he or she was doing, didn't even petition the court to have the will admitted. And what he or she did was she took the money and just started distributing the money out to different heirs, but she had forgotten one thing. She didn't notice creditors. She didn't tell the trustee of a trust who was going to be the recipient of all the proceeds. And so the court ordered that that individual make an accounting to the court with all the funds that was distributed from the bank accounts inappropriately before the court approved it. Now, what's really going on here is this. People think that once there's a will out there, that automatically after someone dies, that the will says the money goes to X, Y, and Z. And that's not the situation. A will only becomes effective after someone dies and the court confirms that the will is valid. Then once the court confirms the will is valid, the court will then grant the individual that is nominated in the will the authority to act on behalf of the estate. Now you'll notice I said something, the person nominated in the will. They are not the personal representative until the court says they are the personal representative, or in this case, the executor. So the court got the individual in two ways. One, acted inappropriately because they were not the personal representative, they were only the nominated one. And number two is took inappropriate control over the assets of the deceased and dispersed it without court confirmation. So I hope this teaches you a lesson that just because somebody has a will doesn't automatically mean the property passes by the will and that the individual named therein has authority to do that until a court confirms that individual. I hope this video has been helpful. My name is Kirk Kaplan with Kresge Legal and Accounting. Thank you.